Hey everyone, in this video I wanted to talk about the new YouTube scenario as far as monetization and whether or not I think that's a good or a bad thing. To be honest, I'm actually one of the channels that will be affected quote unquote negatively by it because I have 160 or so subscribers at this time, and basically monetization is going away for me at the end of February unless more people subscribe, so consider doing that. But it's probably a good thing just because the number of people that were receiving income from YouTube relates to the amount of ads that can go on there. And advertisers are very concerned because the content wasn't being monitored, so to speak. So essentially people are putting all kinds of negative things on there that caused issues with YouTube being able to essentially keep the advertisers. And so the most important thing is the advertisers, because that's what's going to bring money to the platform. So if they lost all of their advertisers, then there would be nothing to monetize anyway. So I think there's just too many people making a small amount of money for YouTube to have the resources to basically monitor the channels and make sure that the people are doing putting out content that's good and not like detrimental or dangerous or, strongly offensive. So by reducing the number of people that are receiving ads, they don't have to worry about the advertisers being concerned. And it gives them the ability to place ads in places where they are able to monitor and make sure it's good content. And then also be in a situation where those people can be rewarded. So, I hope to get there, but I think that's the thing, so if you're not there just yet, okay, you want to be, right? But that just means putting out more content. That means putting out quality content that people want to see. And that means that, you just have a challenge. You have to work to get to where YouTube wants you to be in order to make money on it. So what are your thoughts? Do you agree? Do you disagree? I'd be happy to hear. Please, comment below. I'm definitely going to answer any comments you have. Like I said, I'm one of the people who will lose. I'm not making a lot, maybe about $100 a month. And I'm going to lose that, but it's still a valuable service and still provides a great opportunity to put content out there. It's also fantastic for business owners. So if you have a business that you want to promote, YouTube is forget about monetization. YouTube is a search engine, so it'll allow you to basically promote your business. And if you do it right, you can make a lot of money and draw a lot more people to your business. So I think even with monetization not being there, assuming it's not for you, it's still great to create content. So also I'd be interested, is there any other platform that provides monetization that people are going to outside of YouTube? What are your thoughts on that? If there is, I'd be interested in hearing about that also. But again, I just want to share this content and look forward to hearing your thoughts and what your experience is, and any tips you have. I'd be happy to hear those too. And I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching my video.